Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be fixing a light problem where the system won't cut on that light. So like many of you who would start this process, I went and bought bulbs and replaced the bulb, no problem, but it still doesn't work. So let me show you what I bought to see if we can fix the problem. Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be working on a light problem. All our lights are on and this bulb here refuses to cut on. And my first inclination was to go get some bulbs, so I did. I replaced both bulbs and that did not fix our problem. So I have a feeling it's going to be the switch that we're clicking on there that's broken. So we're going to take that out and replace it. So first thing we want to do is turn our system back off so that we don't cause a fuse to blow or anything like that. Let's just cut it off. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to remove both these panels here and then come down with a screwdriver or like so. And we're going to do the opposite side as well. We want to be careful not to break those pins. Both sides are down. Now we just want to get the other side. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same on both sides. What I want to do is to grab the bulb out on both sides. Let me get my screwdriver again, and I'm just going to pull that out. In order to get the switch out, now we need to pull out this screw here, and the same thing right there. Grab these two screws here out from behind here. Now that the screws are down, what we're going to do is pull it down and pull forward, put the switch back, and the system would want to fall. Let me undo our electrical connections here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our screwdriver and we're going to put in our pins and push up here, 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 and here. And this whole mechanism should drop out. So here go our replacement parts. Got them on eBay, or excuse me, Amazon. And I could not find genuine Honda switches. So I found the one with the best reviews. And I went with these. So I'll put a link to them in the description below. So that's what we're getting ready to put in. So let me show you what we're going to have to do. Here is that same switch right here. It slides into place. So I've got my screwdriver wedge behind there. I'm just going to slide it out. That's it. Switch. Here's our new one. Slides back in. No problem. All right, let's repeat on this side. So on this side, there's a metal bar going around it. I guess a ground strap that grounds the whole unit down so that it'll pop on and off. Don't be afraid. That's just a ground strap. We're going to do the exact same thing here like we did on the other one. Pry our screwdriver behind and pull out. Okay, the unit is back in. Let's test our clickers. Let's pop this back in. Come on. Just trying to get it to click up here, down here, over here, and down there. Everything's back in. All right, so now let's make our connections back up here and put it back in place. So I've just put one screw back in for now. Now we're going to put back in just one bulb, our problem side. Cut it back on. And it works. So let's see if it comes on with the map light. Perfect. All right, let me clean this back up. Get everything back in, all the screws back in, and we'll be, these here just click back in, like so. All right, YouTubers, this job probably took me 5 minutes. Might take you even less now that you know all the steps and what to do. If you like the video, like the video.